Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear friends, today we will understand a chapter in Arabic grammar that's called al-Sama'i. Al-Sama'i. What is Sama'i? I will bifurcate every word for you. See, al-Muannas means feminine. That's also called feminine. And Sama'i, which has been heard. Which has been heard. So, what do you know about the al-Muannas? We know that in Arabic word, if we want to make any word muannas, we put round ta, right? So it becomes muannas. That's also called atta al marbuta. Al marbuta, right? So this word, this sign is a symbol of feminine gender that end with round ta. For example, if I say you Fatima tu, so over here, as you can see that Fatima round ta is a sign of muannas, right? Okay, fine. There are a lot of words which apparently do not have any symbol or being feminine like round ta. For example, if I tell you, what do you know about this word ashamsu? Is this muzakkar or muannas? Is this feminine gender or masculine gender? Although we do not find any kind of round ta or symbol of muannas, like alif maqsura or alif mamduda. These are also the symbol of feminine gender. We do not find any symbol in this word by which I can say clearly that this word is muannas. Even this word is muannas. Why? Because the reason is this word we have heard this word from Arab as mass feminine. So this will be al-muannas al-simai. This is what al-muannas al-simai. Al-muannas al-qiyasi, something that has to be examined on the pattern of round ta or alif maqsura or alif mamduda, right? Alif al-mamduda. But over here, we do not find any symbol. Even Arab heard this word as muannas. We have heard this word from Arab as muannas, or Arab also have heard this word muannas. For example, if you read the Holy Quran, same word in Holy Quran used as muannas. For example, washamsu tajri. Washamsu tajri. So over here, tajri has been used, which because of muannas. Which muannas? Al muannas as simai. That's why we call طلع طلعت الشمس. طلعت الشمس, which means the sun has risen, right? طلعت الشمس. Or we can say تطلع الشمس في الصباح, which means sun rises in the morning. Sun rises in the morning. Sun. Now we will understand what are those words which have been heard from the Arab or Arab have heard those words as muannas. Let's continue. Write after me or speak after me when I say al-ardh muannas, which means the earth. Or al-ka'su, the cup. Al-khamaru, the wine. Ad-daru, the house. Similarly, we have al-harbu, al-harbu, the war. An-naru, the fire. الريح, the wind. And الشمس, as I have given you the example of الشمس, the sun. See, if you continue to observe these words, any word does not end with round ta. There is no round ta anywhere. Anywhere. Even these words are muannas in Arabic grammar. You will use muannas fail, any muannas verbs for these words. For example, سقطت الأرض. لا سقط الأرض. The time it will be wrong. سقطت الكأس. Or you will use الأفعال المؤنث. الأفعال المؤنث for these words. So these words called muannas, al-muannas, al-simai. Again, I'm repeating for you that why simai? Sami'a means to listen. So these words have been listened from the Arab as muannas, or Arab have heard this word, listened this word as muannas. Let's continue. Beside these words, most parts of the body, remember, most parts of the body. What are the most parts of the body? Which are in pair, remember, which are in pair, मतलब जो जोड़े में हो, pair में, also regarded as muannas. For example, al-yad, we have two yad, joda, pair, right? Al-isba, finger, al-rijl, the leg, al-qadam, al-uzn, al-ainu, al-dhira'u, arm, al-ainu, al-kaffu, the palm, al-yad, the hand, al-isba', the finger, al-rijl, the leg, al-qadam, the foot, al-udnu, the ear, al-dhira'u, the arm, al-ainu, the eye, al-kaffu, the palm. So these words, these are the parts of the body which we have in pair. For example, we have two hands, we have more than two fingers, more than one finger. Originally, we have two leg, we have two foot, we have two ear, we have two eyes, we have two arm, we have two palms. So these words also regarded as muannas. For example, if I say you, let me give you the example. Let me give you the example of any word. So over here, if I write you, كسر الطفل إصبعه, إصبع means finger, الصغيرة. See, موصوف was صفت. So what happened over here? Isba'un was muannas. That's why I have to make the sifat like muannas, as-saghira. And how it is muannas, we can clearly see that the round ta. So what will be the translation? The child broke his little finger. The child broke his little finger. Hope you understand this. And I'm hoping that al-muannas as-sama'i is very clear for you. Let me repeat and remind for you. Al-muannas as-sama'i, al-muannas which means feminine, as-sama'i which means which has been heard or listened. Normally we find at the end of muannas round ta. So over here we can see Fatima has a round ta, which is also regarded in Arabic atta al marbuta. Atta al marbuta. Okay. Again, I have given you the example of ashamsu. Ashamsu is not muzakkar, it is muannas, although we do not find any kind of round ta over here. So this word has been heard from the Arab as muannas. We have heard this word from Arab as feminine, or Arab have heard this word as muannas. That's called al muannas as Sama'i. For example, we can say ashamsu tajri la yajri. We will not say ashamsu yajri. At that time it will be wrong. Washamsu, and Quran says washamsu tajri li mustaqarrin laha dhalika taqdirul aziz al alim. Right? طلعت الشمس. طلعت. التاء طلعت هي صيغة المؤنث. طلعت هي صيغة المؤنث. That's why we say because الشمس is مؤنث. الشمس is طلعت الشمس. Or we can say تطلع الشمس. تطلع الشمس في الصباح. So sun rises in the morning. تطلع. Again, I have used the صيغة of مؤنث for the word الشمس. You will have to complete this word. Let me tell you all those words which is used in as muannas. The word is al-ardu, which means the earth, al-kasu, which means cup, al-khamaru, la al-khamaratu, because this word is muannas, already muannas, no need to put ta, round ta, that's called atta al-marbuta. Ad-daru, the house, al-harbu, the war, al-naru, the fire. Similarly, al-rihu, the wind, al-shamsu, the sun. And these words are used as muannas. In further parts of the lesson, we have come to know that most parts of the body that is in pair is also muannas. Remember, the condition is should be in pair, right? For example, al-yad we have in pair, al-isba we have in pair, means finger, al-rijlu, which means the leg, al-qadam, which means the foot, already we have in pair, al-uznu, which means the ear, al-ainu, which means the eye, al-zira, which means the arm, al-kaf, which means the palm, right? Hope you understand this class. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good time.